Simple present. This tense is used to describe actions that do not change or are performed regularly. I work from Monday to Saturday. Yo trabajo de lunes a sábado. I work from Monday to Saturday. She travels a lot. Ella viaja mucho. She travels a lot. Remember that in he, she, it, we add s or es. Simple past. It is used to mention actions that began and ended at a certain time in the past. I went to a concert yesterday. Yo fui a un concierto ayer. I went to a concert yesterday. He sent the report last Monday. Él envió el informe el lunes pasado. He sent the report last Monday. Present perfect. It refers to an action that began in the past and is still ongoing. We have lived here for many years. Hemos vivido aquí durante muchos años. We have lived here for many years. He has gone to Chile twice in this year. Él ha ido a Chile 2 veces en este año. He has gone to Chile twice in this year. Here you change have for has in he, she, it. Present past and present perfect. Affirmative phrases. Presente pasado y presente perfecto, frases afirmativas. I go downtown every Sunday. Voy al centro todos los domingos. I go downtown every Sunday. I went downtown last Sunday. Fui al centro el domingo pasado. I went downtown last Sunday. I have gone downtown twice this month. He ido al centro 2 veces este mes. I have gone downtown twice this month. She takes English lessons every day. Ella toma clases de inglés todos los días. She takes English lessons every day. She took English lessons last year. Ella tomó clases de inglés el año pasado. She took English lessons last year. She has taken English lessons for a long time. Ella ha tomado clases de inglés durante mucho tiempo. She has taken English lessons for a long time. We do exercise every morning. Nosotros hacemos ejercicio todas las mañanas. We do exercise every morning. We did exercise last night. Nosotros hicimos ejercicio anoche. We did exercise last night. We have done exercise for a long time. Nosotros hemos hecho ejercicio durante mucho tiempo. We have done exercise for a long time. He buys many expensive things. Él compra muchas cosas caras. He buys many expensive things. He bought many expensive things. Él compró muchas cosas caras. He bought many expensive things. He has bought many expensive things. Él ha comprado muchas cosas caras. He has bought many expensive things. They get good prices. Ellos consiguen buenos precios. They get good prices. They got good prices. Ellos consiguieron buenos precios. They got good prices. They have gotten good prices. Ellos han conseguido buenos precios. They have gotten good prices. Present, past, and present perfect interrogative phrases. Presente, pasado y presente perfecto, frases interrogativas. Do I go downtown every Sunday? ¿Voy al centro todos los domingos? Do I go downtown every Sunday? Did I go downtown last Sunday? Fui al centro el domingo pasado. Did I go downtown last Sunday? Have I gone downtown twice this month? He ido al centro 2 veces este mes. Have I gone downtown twice this month? Does she take English lessons every day? ¿Toma ella clases de inglés todos los días? Does she take English lessons every day? Did she take English lessons last year? ¿Tomó ella clases de inglés el año pasado? Did she take English lessons last year? Has she taken English lessons for a long time? ¿Ha tomado ella clases de inglés durante mucho tiempo? Has she taken English lessons for a long time? Do we do exercise every morning? ¿Hacemos ejercicio todas las mañanas? Do we do exercise every morning? Did we do exercise last night? ¿Hicimos ejercicio anoche? Did we do exercise last night? Have we done exercise for a long time? ¿Hemos hecho ejercicio durante mucho tiempo? Have we done exercise for a long time? Does he buy many expensive things? ¿Compra él muchas cosas caras? Does he buy many expensive things? Did he buy many expensive things? ¿Compró él muchas cosas caras? Did he buy many expensive things? Has he bought many expensive things? ¿Ha comprado él muchas cosas caras? Has he bought many expensive things? Do they get good prices? ¿Consiguen ellos buenos precios? Do they get good prices? Did they get good prices? ¿Consiguieron ellos buenos precios? Did they get good prices? Have they gotten good prices? ¿Han conseguido ellos buenos precios? Have they gotten good prices?